Hey, my name is Christian and I'm a success agent here at Mindpool, where we help companies across all industries to tap into the collective intelligence of their employees, revealing performance predictions and a bunch of recommendations on how to enhance performance in their company. So today I'm going to show you some of the most relevant features we have and some of the benefits that customers can have by using the Mindpool platform. So let's go ahead. First thing you do is enter mindpool.com. Once you do so, you can create an account by hitting book a demo. Here, you just add a little bit of information about your company. And then just add some of this information about yourself. Once you're done adding information about yourself, just click accept the Mindpool's privacy policy and terms of use if you agree with them, and then click book a demo. Now, all you need to do is wait until a customer agent, maybe me, reach out to you and schedule a demo. Once your success agent has approved your organization, you will be able to log in accessing mindpool.com and clicking login. Then you'll add your credentials. And click at the login button. As soon as you enter the platform, what you see here is your home page. This essentially gives you an overview of all the different activities and all the different areas in the Mindpool platform. So first thing you have here is the option to take a quick product tour. This shows you some of the basic functionality needed to really get started. So how to add departments and employees, how to create your first Mindpool, how to view your live business insights, etc. Then, if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see a little area that summarizes any Mindpool that you might be running at the moment. In this case, we don't have anyone yet, but I'm going to show you how to create one. And then you have a little area here with some of the activities. So, how many responses have we had this month? How many people in total? Response rate compared to last month? And also a collective intelligence score, which is a score that is updated once you've run a Mindpool that shows you how well you're utilizing the collective intelligence of your organization. Then further down, we have an overview of what departments you've added, what people you've added to the Mindpools, and there's also a little box over here where you can provide feedback. If we scroll a little bit up again, let me show you some of the other pages we have here. We have the Insights page. This is where your dashboard will appear with all the different insights that are being populated. Now, since we haven't run any Mindpool yet, the dashboard is empty, and all we see here is some, insights with no real data. But once we create your first Mindpool, this dashboard will automatically be updated and will be showing some of your insights. So let's go ahead and try to create our first Mindpool. We do that in the Mindpools page. However, you'll notice that if you try to create a Mindpool, you won't be able to do so because first you need to add departments and employees. So let's go ahead and do that. We can do that by clicking at the people page. So let's go ahead and start adding some departments. So let's just say IT is relevant, sales, management. Let's just start with these three from now and add the departments. After you've done that, just go ahead and click at add employees. So in this here, I'm just gonna add one of my colleagues and hit enter. So here you can either add your, the respondents by adding them one by one or in a comma separated way, or also by downloading an Excel template, filling that up, and uploading it here by clicking on this button. Once you've added your employees, go ahead and click Add Employees. And as you can see, the different employees that were added, they show up in the list. And here you can both see what department they're in. Right now they're not really assigned, but after running their first Mindpool, they will be assigned to a department. Also, in case you have any colleagues that also should get insight to or access to the dashboard, you can change their role to a company admin, which means that they will receive an email allowing them to create an account so they can access the dashboard as well. But great, now we are finally ready to create our first Mindpool after adding the department's employees. So let's go back to the Mindpool page and click Create Mindpool. So here you can add a title to your Mindpool so you can recognize it later on. It could just be, for example, Mindpool April, and you can select a start and an end date. So what's relevant to know here is that if you select the start date, which is today, as soon as you click Send Mindpool, all the employees that you added in the people page will receive an email right away with a link to the Mindpool survey. If you select a date at a later stage, they will receive that same email at about 9 in the morning that day. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and select the start date, which is today, and keep it open for about a week. That should give them time enough to answer the Mindpool. And then now the Mindpool is created. The employees who are on the list, so me and my colleague, have now received an email with a link that by clicking it, we get access to the Mindpool survey, which, yeah, and all the answers provided during the Mindpool survey are then processed and displayed in the dashboard in the Insights page. At any point, you can also end the Mindpool. You can also access an employee dashboard, which is basically a dashboard we made for employees, because here at Mindpool, we truly believe that in order for employees to be engaged in this and want to continuously provide insights to their management, there also needs to be something in it for them. So a problem we see is that often when employees spend time and energy answering a survey, they feel like their energy just kind of goes to waste because they never see the results or the outcome of that. So that's something we try to solve with the employee dashboard, where management can share a link to the specific employee dashboard, and they can follow and see the results and how them and their colleagues are predicting performance across, overall in the company, but also across a number of success factors. Here they can also provide additional recommendations to management on what they think and what employees think management should do to enhance the company even more, the effort if implemented, effort required to implement, and what it relates to. And here on this section, as soon as employees have added some recommendations, other employees are able to upvote them to help management find out what actions are really important here. Yes. So that wraps up the walkthrough of the platform, showing both how to create an account, general overview of the platform, and how to create your first Mindpool and get started. That was it. Thank you.